Do you love flying geese? Do you hate them? Do they terrify you? Let me know in the comments. G'day, my name is Sean, and today we're going to put together Clue 5 of the Tree of Life Puzzle Mystery Quilt by Cotton Cuts. We're going to take these wonderful pre-cut fabrics and in just a few moments put it all together into a wonderful block. Let's see how it all comes together. And like that, we are all done. I've loved doing this block. It was easy, it was simple, but it was nice just being able to chain piece one of these clues, which is different to most of them. So let's take a look at the final product. And this is block 5. There is no 5A, 5B this time. It's just the one block. And I love the purples and the blues in this purple mist. It's all batiks by Hoffman, I believe. And I'm thinking this has turned out really nicely. And I can't believe we're halfway done with Tree of Life already. It's just flying by. So let me know what you thought of today's block and if you're sewing along with me. And if you did enjoy today's video, please hit the like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you all have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.